EverydayPopping family, this is Dassy. I am back. I hope you didn't forget about me. I'm back. All right, today in this class, I prepared some really fun, challenging, dope popping choreography on my favorite track recently. I've been very into Amapiano, and this is Amapiano popping remix. And I think I used this song on one of the class before. I think we did some freestyle exercise with that. But this time I had to make a choreography because I really love the song. All right, let's just dive into it. It's gonna be high energy. As you know me, I love high energy. I like to go ham, so be prepared to really have that energetic pop, yes? All right, our arms gonna place on our waist level. We are going to go, already speed control, we're gonna go pop and come back. I do this a lot. It's not about pop, pop, pop. It's not about that. It's going to be boom, ka, yes? All right, so we're gonna go 1, 2, and 3, 4. Nice. We went arms to the side with the body. We went leg roll right to left. And then that's gonna bring the arms and leg pop together. Yes? All right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. From here, you're gonna pop again to come right here. Nice. And after that, I want you to switch the feeling. We were going really like powerful, right? Now from there, I want you to go really smooth and really like a honey, like a sticky feeling, like nice. I want you to switch the feeling drastically. Yeah? All right, let's start from the beginning again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Nice. Nice. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 2, 2. I want you to really wait until the last minute. I like to surprise people. Instead of like rushing the beat, I want you to go very like wait until the last minute. So we went drag here. You don't know, like nobody expect you to go this direction. You're gonna lead from your head to looking your side. Yes? All right, again from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 2, 2. From here, you're gonna go step, step. You are going to the back legs, gonna step a little bit back. And as you step it, you're gonna go front. Kinda walk out, yeah? Sada. Nice. I'm gonna continue. If you feel like it's too fast, you can always play playback, or you can always play half speed. So it's slower, yeah? All right, we went step, step. And then I want to kind of use you to use your whole upper body to kind of like jiggle, like kind of like twist it to bring your leg. So we're gonna go ta-da-da. Does that make sense? We're gonna bring your back leg forward, ta-da-da. Nice. Use the whole body, ta-da-da. Nice. All right, let's do it one more time with count, and then let's move on with the music. Yes? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 2, 2, and 3. Da da da. Yeah, does that make sense? Okay, one more time with the count, and then we'll go with the music. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3. 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 2, 2, and 3. Da da da. Beautiful. Let's try with the music. Let's go. Ready? 5, 6. One more time, one more time. 5, 6, 5, 6. time. It's fast. If you feel it's too fast, you can always rewind, watch it again. All right, let's do one more time with the music and then we're gonna move on, yes? All right, let's do this. 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I'm gonna move on.
Wait. Before we move on, I want to quickly introduce my online popping tutorial platform, Everyday Popping. We've got over 100 classes covering everything from how to pop with each body parts, foundations, choreography like the one you're watching, freestyle tactics, and even a beginner course specially designed for those new to popping. You will also get monthly personalized feedback from me, plus lessons from world-renowned international guest teachers. If you want to grow and level up your popping, Everyday Popping has you covered. Join now at everydaypopping.com to learn more and start your popping journey. All right, back to the class.
We went the leg, and then from there we're gonna glide. I want you to, your back leg is going to slide. You are going to use the heel toe. While you are sliding your back leg, you're gonna switch to toe. Yeah, so it's gonna look like, yes, again. We go slide, nice. Again, slide, and I want you to switch slide again. Yes. We're gonna go hum, hum, ha. Again. Watch it a lot. We're gonna go slide, slide, switch. And I want you to use your upper body to make it more like illusionary dope. I want you to go. I want you to use your shoulder. You can go forward, back, back, forward, however you want to feel like remixing. Totally fine. So we are here. We're gonna go boom, boom, ha, ha. We're gonna bounce twice. You're trying to go, but somebody's stopping you. Yes. All right, we are here again. 7, 8, boom, boom, zing, zing. It'll make sense with the music. You will hear the music. Then you'll be like, oh, you're gonna know. All right, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Glide, glide, wong, wong. Third one, you're going to turn. You're going to turn in a stretch your body to go in. Like you have a ball here in your body. So you are hugging the ball. And then you come back here, arms forward. Nice. All right, let's do it from the top again until here. And probably we'll move on a little bit more. And then we'll do a bunch of time with the music, yes? All right, from the top, slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 2, 2, and 3. Da ga da. Ha, boom, boom, ba. Ka, ha. Yes, from here, we are going to go staccato. I love using staccato. I love using speed control. It's just like in popping, if you use speed control, your freestyle looks so dynamic. It just gives so much texture into that, yes? All right, we came here, we're gonna use staccato, ha-ha. Just arm, wait. Arm with the body, ka-ka, ha. Actually, ta-da. Yes, ta-da, chest. And then you are going to step with your left, with your arm turning this way. And place your arm by your waist. So you are going to, kind of like up and down, up and down. Yes? We went super control. Kaka, ha. Yes? Does that make sense? Again. 7, 8, kaka, ka. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8, kaka, ka. And the last one, before you come here, I want you to switch to puppet. I want you to become puppet from here. You're gonna be puppet. You're gonna drop the arm. As you drop the arm, that's gonna make your body break it down. I want you to go drop. really relax your body. The whole time here was very controlled, right? Control. And I really want you to change, switch the feeling, like totally, 0 to 100. Yes? All right, one more time from here, control. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba-da, ba. Boom, ka, boom, boom. You are going to pop twice, thinking that there's a string here, and your whole body is just like, so relaxed. All right, and then we're gonna go string. Somebody's pulling over there, pulling over here, down, come back. And then we're gonna go old man. Yes, all right. Whoop, 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 so fun. Okay, let's go from the staccato until the puppet, yes? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Taka, ta, boom, boom. 1, 2, ha, ha, ba, down, up. Yes. All right. To be honest, arm-wise, if you want to change it to different direction, feel free to change it. Always, whenever I give my choreography or routine, you can mix it, make it your own. Because popping is anyway, it's a freestyle dance style. There's no, like, you gotta go this way, this way. Of course, if I wanna perform with you guys, then of course we need to make it clean so that it looks unison together. But this, practice however you feel like doing it and make it your own, yes? All right, from the staccato again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba, ha, sing, sing, boom, ka, si, sa, out, out, down, up. Should we try with the music and see what happens? Let's go. Good luck. 5, 6, 5, 6, 6. Wow. Yes. Let's do it one more time. Okay, let's do one more time. 5, 6, 5, 6. All right, let me explain one more time from the top to here. Please practice the whole thing. It's really, really fun. One day I really want to perform this somewhere. I feel like it's gonna be really, really nice. Maybe I can. I'm thinking to have Everyday Popping battle event and performance event in LA. So hopefully I can bring some of you guys. I'll see. All right, let me explain again from the top, and then we will run it probably 2-3 times, and then we will end it for the chapter 1. Yes? All right. From the top, we're gonna go 1, 2. Oh, don't do the leg. I mean, you can do the leg. I remix. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 2, 2, and 3. Da ga da. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Do boom, boom, down. Poopa, dee-dum, be-dum, 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 boom, 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 be-dum, be-dum. This music is so dope. Oh my God. All right, let's try it. Maybe let's try it 2 times. Let's go.
Great job today! Well done for following along with this tutorial. I hope you had a fun and enjoyed it. This choreography is actually longer than what I taught here. So if you're feeling it and want to learn the full piece, head over to everydaypopping.com to keep going. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for updates and to catch my upcoming professional dance vlog. See you next time. Bye!